Hi, Clancy Boyer here, MarineMax, Fort Myers, Florida. We're here today to take a look at a 29 Sea Ray. This is the SDX with outboards. It has twin 250s on it, so the boat moves really well. The name of this particular boat is St. Nick. It's a pre-owned boat that we're selling. So come aboard, let's take a look. All right, as you come aboard, you'll notice this boat feels a little larger than a 29 foot, and that's because it is. It's actually 31 foot long with a 9-foot beam. As I mentioned, we've got the twin 250s. This is a new V8 engine, so it's easy to check your oil. Here, this particular boat has the loungers on the back, which is pretty rare. Normally there's a flat cushion on the back, so you want to watch for that option. But the loungers are really nice and very comfortable. So come on in. So as you board the boat, you'll notice in the aft area you have a stereo remote control, so the people on the back cushions can actually control the stereo system without coming on in or asking someone to control it. You have a little flip down step here for low tide situations getting off the boat. Then you have a little prep center, has a nice well, flip up sink, trash can down below, and then continuous seating all the way around. The seat backs are pretty cool. The boat comes down, this flips back, and you can sit, recline in this direction. There's a table that comes out of the back, for this area. Continuous seating over here. Lots and lots of storage underneath of all these seats. The captain seat actually flips also. Then you have little brackets here that you can flip, and you can lower the top if you get in a low bridge situation, or if you're storing the boat in a low clearance situation. So come on up to the helm, let's take a look at it. All right, we're at the helm of this 29 SDX outboard. I'm going to give you a little tip. I get a lot of phone calls from people wanting to know how to check their hours. I'm going to show you how to do it if you have a boat like this. And this is similar with Simrad systems and Mercury outboards. So here we're in our map. We're going to go into the menu. We're going to click on engine. And then we're going to go all the way down to the Mercury logo. And we're going to click on the Mercury logo. When that comes up, you have some prompts and some different things you can check. Your battery voltage, 32 gallons of fuel. But down at the bottom it says more. You click on more, and then you have more options, and the very last one is maintenance. If you click on maintenance, you'll see that this boat has 109 hours on it. So that's how you find your hours on the boat. If you want to go back to the chart, you can. The Simrad systems are fantastic. Here you have a chart. You can do different things. You can go into a split chart. You can go into, here you're seeing depth. Obviously we're on land, so that's not doing much, but it's still doing a scan. You can go back and you can pull up. You can split it between chart and navigation, and it'll pull up in just a second. And you can see where you're navigating. You can also see the chart. So lots of different things you can do here. You have the big fusion stereo system in here, the big flush mounted system, aircraft toggle switches, good high-end stuff. You can see this particular boat's a 2022 and it's about 6 months old, but you can see it's in outstanding condition. It's been polished. The guy keeps it very clean. There's no corrosion on stuff. It's just in fantastic condition. Over here is the head. This has the upgraded head system. You have cabinetry, countertop, a pull-out shower one, and then moving forward, flip down armrest. You'll notice your cup holders on the Sea Ray are down low, so they're out of the wind. So as the wind's shaking them and stuff, they stay down here and better chance of staying dry. You also notice throughout this boat you have a lot of storage areas, and you have the theater lighting. The rope lighting is underneath the cushions in the back also. So nice storage wells. Windlass anchor on the front with controls at the helm, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful boat. So thanks for taking a look at the 29 SDX. Sea Ray makes a fantastic boat. If you'd like to get more information on this boat or any other, my name's Clancy Boyer. My number is 573-470-7776. I'm here at MarineMax in Fort Myers. Stop in and look at boats or give me a call. Thanks.